Previously on the Swiss Car Guy.
Hooray! I fixed something. I didn't take off the bumper because on these cars there are many clips under the bumper, and if you take them off they can break. No! Why? Ciao, I'm Mario, the Swiss Car Guy on YouTube, and welcome to the fourth and hopefully last installment of the defective parking sensor series. Because you see, this parking sensor didn't work very well. I painted it twice and it doesn't work again. So I decided I'd buy a new sensor and I'd install it. But to install a sensor, I need to take the bumper off. So let's see how this works. Okay, I'll start by removing this little clip that should hide a screw or something. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it even has a little retainer so it doesn't fall out. That's very nice. It's going to be 10 mil. And it is. One bolt out. Same thing on the other side. I have instructions. Apparently there are supposed to be some clips down here that fasten this black part. I don't want to call it a diffuser because it obviously isn't. Oh wow. Let me use my clip removal tool. Come on. What? Oh wow, that's a foil. That's not even standard. Okay, these fasteners are not in a good shape. Now, getting clips off should not be hard. That's a lot more work than I thought it would be. Because the clips are all mangled up and I will force them off then. If this is what I need to do, this is what I'm going to do. These clips are done. I think I have new ones. Somewhere. Hopefully. All the clips are off. I've broken them all, but I think I have new ones of these clips because these were completely done for anyway. So yeah, there is 2 bolts here. Or maybe more than 2 bolts, I don't know. There are some bolts. Let's see. Oh no, more clips. Damn! Let's see if I can get these out without completely breaking them. More clips, more clips, more clips. Oh, these clips, look. Oh, no, they are brittle as hell. At least these come out. The other ones were completely seized. Let's see if I can get under them with the tool. No. Maybe with this one. Yes! I got a clip out without breaking it. Awesome! Let's repeat this. No, this is a bolt. Let's get the bolt off. Good. 10mm bolt is out. Same thing on the other side. I used the knife to get it out some more. Yes. Clip is out, and then a bolt, which I'm trying to get out. So. Good. Good. That's the lower part covered, I think. Okay, now there's supposed to be a clip or a bolt or something, right? Here. And it is a bolt, I think. Maybe I can get in there with the power tool. It would be nice. It was a bolt. 10 millimeters, very nice. Must be right underneath here. Oh, the liner doesn't really... Come on. Just need a little space, man. And out it is. Let's preserve our pristine paint. But it should be down and out. Because it's... Oh, you see? Down and out. Come on. That's the sound of stuff breaking. There are no claws. Okay. Something has fallen down. I think this is the clip I just took the bolt out of. No problem. Let's see. I can get the other stuff out as well. Not too bad. Okay, so this side is completely loose. And the way I see it, either I broke off all the clips or there are no clips to break off. So, I don't know. Let's get this underneath. Same thing here. Let's try to pop it off. You see it's already hanging quite loose here. Then let's do the rest here. Should be the same logic. Ooh, I think the bumper is loose. Okay, the sides are loose. And I think there are still some claws detaining the bumper. So let's see if I can get those detached. I can't. I give up. How does that work? I wonder, does it come outwards like this? Good, definitely. There's a connector here for, it's a parking sensor connector, great. Let's see if I can get it out. Connector is off. Boom. I got the bumper off and without too much noise of stuff breaking. It's interesting to see that the exhaust tips are part of the bumper, apparently. And this is what an LS600 looks like without a bumper. So, I think this is where the offending parking sensor is. It's not, I think, I know, this is it. So, let's see if we can get the connector off, which looks like one of those automotive connectors that I never know how to get off. Locking connector, eh? Yeah. Probably just press and push, pull. Oh, yeah, I can see it. It should. I mean, this has been on for 13 years, so yeah. It will not go without a fight. Okay, I'll help out with a knife. And now it should come out. Yes, you see, knives are tools. Good, 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 good. Okay. And now I should somehow attempt to get this thing out. Oh, wow. Your little cradle, eh? Can I get this off as well? I actually have no idea how this comes out. How does this come out? How does this come out? Also, why is this cradle here? Is this just to hold this cable? Wow. That's some engineering. Let's see how this is fixed. It can't be that simple. Oh, good. Cradle's off. This looks like it's just two tabs that hold it in, so again, the thing's been in for years. Ah! Parking sensor is out, awesome. And since I'm here, I'll give it a quick little clean before I put stuff back on. Let's compare new and old. They look fairly similar, just one's very dirty and one's very shiny and new. Both say Toyota Denso 077. Good, let's plug the new one in. Okay, okay, so it's just click, it's in. Let's see if it looks okay from the other side. Wonderful, wonderful. Let's plug it back in. Good. Let's put the harness back on. Neat. Man, that was simple. I mean, ugh, this is so dirty. I'm not going to clean the entire thing, but I just want to clean these things off a bit, you know. Because when are they going to get cleaned again? Well, now let's try to put the bumper back on. And I have to start most likely by going a bit further ahead and plugging the connector for the parking sensors back in. Okay, that is in. Not bad. Cool. Now all I have to do is put the screws back in. Two screws are on. Let's get this on. This is on. This, well, could be better. But unless I have the perfect clip, I cannot do it. Luckily, in my stash of clips, I found the right clips for the job, so I can replace all the clips I broke off. Awesome. And we can compare them. This is original and this is my replacement. That's pretty close. Such an assortment of clips is actually rather cheap from AliExpress, and it's great to have. The last two bolts. Or are these screws? Yeah, they're screws. Good. All 10 millimeters, by the way, making it a lot more easier. Wait, this has a way to go. Okay. It goes in like this, actually. Good. Last bolt is in. Good. This is in as well. Now I want to know if it works. Let's see. Reverse. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. I would say operation successful. Perfect. Okay, so the job is done. It works. I'm very happy that after 4 episodes, I finally have a fixed parking sensor. The parking sensor I paid, I think, about $120, including shipping, because I bought it from Partsuk in the United Arab Emirates. Because not only was it cheap, because in Switzerland, I think list price is like $250 for one sensor. They come already painted, which is nice, but I got it not only cheaper at Partsuk, but I got it in 2 days. And in Switzerland, if you want to buy parts, you have to basically go to a dealership, they order it, and then they call you when it's ready, and then you go to the dealership to pick it up. And I mean, it's 2021, so I find it absolutely ridiculous that it's easier to just order it halfway around the world than to get it locally. But that's that. So the sensor works, it's great, the car is back to 100%. Now, of course, I have to clean it off because I just had it washed actually, and I thought it was a good idea to work on a clean car, and then I made it all dirty. So I have to clean this up and then work done. So that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you liked the content or if you like what you're seeing, and if you want to see more episodes on the Lexus in the future, because there's a few things I still want to do to this car. And more importantly, I just found out that this black part down here appears to be just a foil, and I don't know if it's OEM or not because it's kind of detaching, so I'm sort of tempted to take it off, but maybe that's stuff for another video. Anyway, that's all from me. Bye.